Hello guys, learning to speak in English by using translation method is time consuming method. How you are going to see in this video that what happens when you have been learning Marathi language as you are Maharashtrian or as you are Indian. When you have been learning Marathi language, did you translate Marathi language in other language? No, not at all. You did not translate Marathi language in other language. You learned it directly by using direct method. That when you are in first standard, suppose, or when you are a baby, you first listen the words, you listen the sounds and learn the sounds and try to speak sounds by observing and by listening. So, when you are going to learn any language, you have to learn it directly. If you are using translation method, it is time consuming method. For example, when you are thinking in Marathi language or Hindi language and trying to translate that language in English, what happens? Formation of Marathi sentence is different, formation of English sentence is different. For example, मैं स्कूल में जाता हूँ and English I go to the school. If you translate Hindi, English to Hindi, the formation of Hindi sentence is different, order of Hindi sentence words is different, order of English sentence words is different. So when you are using translation method, you are confused and becoming slow learner. So what you have to do, you have to use direct method. This is the view of the experts. The experts have told that you have to use direct method. As you are learning any language, suppose you are learning Marathi language, Hindi language, you are learning it directly, not using translation method. In the same way, when you are trying to learn to speak in English, you have to use direct method. When you use translation method, what happens? First of all, you have to think in Marathi, try to create or translate by using translation method, try to create the sentence according to the Marathi language in English and then speak. This is time consuming method. Time consuming method means what? You are taking lots of time to translate the sentence in Marathi to English and then you are going to speak. Suppose somebody is speaking with you in English and if you are using this method, you will be not able to speak because you don't have that much time to speak. It is time consuming method. It takes time to think and speak, and even formation of Marathi sentence is different, grammar of Marathi sentence is different, grammar of English sentence is different. So you will make wrong sentence and you will speak wrong English. One English word has many meanings, it has many it can be used in different ways. So what you have to do, you have to think directly in English and speak directly in English. If you use this method, definitely day will come you will be perfect in speaking. How you are going to use this direct method? For example, you will say that you don't have partner to speak and how will I do this? You can do this without having partner also. Wherever you are, whichever place you are, you can think in English, speak in English. That is possible for everybody. Suppose when we were babies, when we were a child, we did not have option for Marathi. So by observing and by speaking and by listening, we learn to speak in English. In the same way in Marathi. In the same way, when you are trying to speak in English, you can use direct method to speak. It is very much powerful method and it will be helpful for you to speak in English. This by using this method, you will be speaking like native speaker. Your fluency will be good, your accuracy will be good, your way of speaking will be good. You will be speaking naturally because by using this method, you try to speak natural English. As we learn Marathi or Hindi, in the same way, you can use this method to speak. This is very much effective method that you have to use direct method. If you translate, the day will come and you will be confused to speak. So without having any confusion, you want to speak, if you want to speak better English, natural English, automatic English, you have to use direct method, because translation method is time consuming method. It takes time to think and you will be confused and slow learner. So what you have to do, you have to use direct method to speak English. You have to find surroundings to speak in English. You have to have group discussions to speak in English. You can speak yourself alone when you are in home, when you are in office, whenever you are traveling. You can think in English and try to speak in English. This method will help you to speak in English. Try to listen many dialogues and use those dialogues to speak in English. Join English speaking groups to develop your communication. This is very much effective and good method to learn English. It will going to help you. So at the end, you must understand that translation method is time consuming method, and by this method you will be not able to speak in English, because you don't have time to think and speak. When somebody is speaking with you, within some seconds you have to give the reply. Within some minutes, sorry, not minutes, within some span of time you have to give the reply. So this is wrong method of learning language. What you have to do, you have to use direct method to learn the language. It will be helpful for you. Thank you.